Thank you. I'm gonna slow down the breast this. I'm gonna slow down on it because I ain't gonna be able to eat none of my food. Well, mommy get this cake. Let's go.
You're gonna get that? And why do you want to get it to them?
I don't want to eat her. What to do? Oh, that's the food. I can't quit.
Got the tour of Italy for you guys.
Yes, I did. I don't know if I asked you. I don't know if I asked you or if I asked. Her, can I get one more of these Alfredo sauce on the side?
Yeah, let me go ahead and get some more of that for you.
You got it. You talking about the other soup? What you want? I didn't know you like that.
Yeah, I like that chicken.
I just be wasting it all the time. I used to give it to Armani. I used to waste it. You know, tea time. Fuck up. You talk too much. Fuck you. You know, hand me the fuck.
Yeah.
What up, Tisha?
You have to look at your wrist.
What it do? What it do? I don't like how that look. You don't like how what look?
Right. Do we both like cheese? The same on this.
What up, keep it? You look good. You like Alfredo with salmon? Me too. I don't know if I ever had any salmon here. She wasn't really hungry. I'm making her eat. She got Parmesan chicken, zuppa. She about to get another soup. What's the name of the other soup?
Oh, I'm gonna try the chicken and no chicken.
Chicken and no chicken.
No cheese.
Chicken no cheese. I was hungry. I was saving my appetite. I was saving my appetite all day for somebody. I ain't gonna say no names.
Well, make sure you eat your cake here.
I'm eating my cake later.
You want more bread?
It's only one to go.
We should get more.
Before you whip, I want Cutie from Cali right now. Big Trouble, 1 or 2. Cutie from Cali are Big Trouble.
You never tried the chicken? It's really good.
Who you think I'm with? You said what?
You never tried the chicken?
That shit, I don't like it.
I don't like it.
What up? They gullible. So I say what up? You said Big Trouble? Are you pregnant? He said, bro, bit the fork. He says, brothers and big. You said Big Trouble on a flight. Damn, I couldn't trick y'all. I couldn't trick y'all. For the new people coming in. She went live or something on her flight. What up, Lady Pisces?
Now I know you eat lasagna.
I'm gonna get some more Alfredo over here, okay?
All right, thank you.
Yeah. Can I actually have the chicken and gnocchi soup?
Chicken gnocchi?
Yeah, thank you.
I'm surprised you don't fuck with the zuppa. That zuppa That's super alright.
It would be good if they didn't put that sausage in there. Sausage is
You don't like sausages? I thought you liked sausages.
too peppery for me.
Did you just not ask me for some sausages?
I only like Johnsonville sausage. I don't like the sausage that tastes peppery. I only like the one that's greasy and savory.
I know that y'all don't make me feel bad, man. Don't make me feel bad. You know, don't make me feel bad. It's just, you know, I live in Vegas, but it don't mean that it don't mean that I'm just here for everybody. You know what I'm saying? I'm very selective. I know a lot of people don't believe that, but maybe one, you know, I live in Vegas, but just, you know, that's about it. You know, she's a cool lady. She's a cool lady. Big Trouble's a cool lady, but you know, I know a lot of niggas probably would have been thirsty for any girl to come and give them attention, but I'm just not the average nigga. Oops. Everybody turned around. Everybody turned around. Everybody turned around with them. But yeah, nah, I fuck with her. I mean, she's cool though. Thank you. You've been excellent.
Thank you. Do you want cheese on here?
You don't have to.
No? Okay.
Thank you, man.
I get chicken.
You want me to switch you then, or do you want me to leave the toast
Yeah,
on?
I'm gonna switch.
Yeah.
No favorite.
Yeah?
This one looks creamy.
Creamy. You said she gonna burn. She like, ooh.
I like this one.
Y'all funny.
Go, Daddy, go.
A cheat day. I ain't had Olive Garden in probably like 3 months. Probably longer than that. Cause even when Lotus Almighty went, I didn't have none.
What?
I don't know when the last time I had Olive Garden. It's been a long time. Probably like 5 months.
Fine.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah.
What kind of pasta? Alfredo pasta. Yeah, I lost a lot of weight. I do a lot of fasting and shit. I lost a lot of weight. I'm gonna publicly say, man, you know, I don't got no beef with Big Trouble. You know what I'm saying? Maybe maybe in the future, we can, you know what I'm saying?
She's a beautiful girl. Oh yeah, that's girl I was arguing with her.
You're so shady. You're
Messy.